Now what?
Aiming at Anthony
Oh.
so you can see him. Here, let go, let go, let go.
It'd be awful if I dropped that in the water.
Look at Grandma. Say I'm
Hi,
swimming.
Anthony.
Swimming.
Look
All by
at
myself.
All
you.
by myself.
Good job, big boy.
Big boy.
Yeah. How come you're not underneath that water getting all them leaves?
Oh, cause
Because don't have an explanation for that.
Dang, loudmouth.
you're going under.
No, I'm just laying on your ball.
Why?
Cause.
Is that cold or?
Yeah. No, it's not.
Talk to Grandma, say I'm
swimming.
all by myself.
All by myself.
Who taught you how to swim?
You.
You,
You.
Amanda.
Yeah.
You just
Float.
you want to float?
Yeah.
All by yourself. Move your arms and your legs. Come this way. Come this way. Come on. You gotta move your arms too, like this. Yeah, like the good job. Good job. His little feet are just going.
Can I jump off you?
Off me? No, I don't want to get my hair wet.
Get on the ladder and jump off the ladder.
Swim there. Go like this. Move your arms.
He's got his head going, bobbing.
His little feet are just. Get up there. Jump off.
I can't. I'm not by myself. Does Hannah help
I'm
me?
gonna be mad at you if you get my hair wet. Other hand. Other hand. See your belly button. Come on, jump.
Why can't you jump by yourself?
'Cause,
You can do it by yourself.
You try it by yourself for Grandma?
yeah. I can't do it.
Sure you can.
I'm gonna go under.
No, you're not going to go under. Hunter does it by himself. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Was that fun or what?
Yeah.
Can I fix your life jacket now?
Yeah.
See, you went under and came right back up, didn't you?
See that belly button?
You belly button.
You can jump again?
Yeah.
Jump from way up there. Jump from the big one. Hunter does.
Jump from right there.
You chicken butt.
You're okay. You're alright. You're okay.
Gotta hold your breath when you do that.
Did it hurt your nose?
No.
No. Here, now swim all by yourself. All by yourself, swim and you're doing it. Come on. Come on. Walk in this way. You're supposed to drink the water. You're okay. Don't freak out. You're okay.
I want to go.
Swim this way. Swim to Grandma.
Swim to Grandma?
Yeah. Don't freak out. Don't freak out.
Oh.
You did it! Woo! Can I throw you?
No.
Please?
No.
I just want to throw you one time.
Okay. No.
Can I throw you? Please? I throw Hunter.
Huh?
I throw Hunter.
Hannah?
Yeah, I throw him. Can I throw you?
Yeah.
Did you like that? You're okay. Did you like that?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, no. I see your belly button again. You hurt your foot, huh? Here, so right here. Let me see. Let me see.
All right, how do I stop this thing?
Push the button again.